Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. I hope you're all well at home. We are back with another close-up coins game to take us through over the course of the weekend. There's 5 close-ups of 50p coins that are all currently in UK circulation. I do understand that the last round was super difficult, and again, a huge shout out to anyone that definitely managed to score at least 5 of the last 10 correctly. Again, all 5 of these coins have been issued for UK circulation. You can find them all in your change. And hopefully this one is a little bit easier than the previous round. Plenty of videos coming up today then. We're going to get stuck into those coin hunts. Have a little look to see what coins you guys have been lucky enough to find in your coin hunts and in your change as well. And also, we'll be back with those coin reviews. Any questions, queries, please do hit them there below. Have an amazing weekend. Stay safe. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.